Hello and welcome to the official channel of Sopo Studio. Today we are going to learn how to create a new menu and make it a primary menu, and we'll learn how to edit the header and footer section in Astra Theme. So let's dive right in. So to create a new menu, you need to go to dashboard and go to appearance and click to menus. Here you can find a create a new menu. So click it here and give a new menu. I'll name it as a brand menu. Okay, brand brand menu, and you can first create menu and make it as a primary menu as well. You can add these pages and products in the menu. So to add pages and categories, you need to click the pages. I'll add contact, about us, and shop menu to the menus and save menu. Sorry, contact, about us, and shop. Then click add to menu and then save menu. You need to click here. You need to click in primary menu as well to make it a primary menu. Then save menu. Yes, and it has already displayed over here. Now to edit the header section, you need to click on the customize, then click on the header builder, and you can edit from here. You can swap it like this as well. You can swap it like this, and if you want to put another if you want to display another menu, then you can just cross it and add secondary menu like this, but I'll be using our primary menu. Yeah, you can edit like this. And to edit the footer, it's also same. Just click over here and this is our footer section. You can also swap like this, and you can add columns like this. I'll keep it 4. And to add a menu in footer section as well, you need to go to plus and widget 4. You need to add the widgets. So click over the setting and click over here. Give it a title. I'll give it a name as a brand. Then select the menu which you want to display. Let's select our brand menu which we created, and it is already displayed over here. So this is how you can add the menus. You can also add some paragraphs over this logo. To do that, first of all, click on this logo widget, and you can add a paragraph over here, and you can add some dummy text like this and publish, and it has been saved. To keep the copyright at the middle, you can just do like this social this and copyright like this. Yeah, this is how you can edit header and footer section in WordPress. uh, this is it for today. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.